Subscribe. Pour oil. Add 3 chopped onion. Fry it lightly. Add 5 kg beef meat. Stir it. Add 2 glass water. Add 9 garlic cloves. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add ½ teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Mix it well. Cooked it for 30 minutes on low flame. Mix it well. Add 1 chopped tomato. Add 250 grams Arvi root. Mix it well. Cooked it for 15 minutes on low flame. Mix it well. Add 2 glass water. Mix it well. Add 3 green chilies, coriander leaves. Cooked it for 2 minutes on low flame. Flame off. Let's dish out. Ready. Subscribe. Hope you like it.